they have to find the most, apart from beautiful, they are very talented. And it's actually, beauty is like the second of what you will be remembering of these women after the show. Na parang, OMG, they are acting to the highest. Like, I mean, it's like, it's not, the demand is not just to be beautiful, but to be talented and to be great in their craft.
Actually, I was about to say, yung kailangan sumabay sa akin.
Yes.
Hindi ka pwede mahuli. Di ba? Nakita niyo ba yung sarili niyo dito? Nakita niyo ba yung... Look at your left and your right. Pasabog. Di ba? Walang pucho-pucho acting. Di ba? Talagang bigay lahat. But Jay, please explain to us the loyalty game. Is this just a make-up kind of game? Did you just use the title? Or is this something that really exists in real life?
Well, what exists are loyalty testers. This is like the region of our
Loyalty testers. Okay.
our creative head, Sir Kenny, came up with the idea of why not we tell the story of loyalty testers. If we're not familiar with loyalty testers, they are real social media. It's a social media phenomenon that became popular during the pandemic in 2020, wherein women will be hired by other women to test the loyalty of their partners.
Or vice versa, pwede rin lalaki.
Pwede rin lalaki, but very rarely. So, kumbaga, parang babayaran nila yung isang tao to seduce, talk to, flirt, and then eventually to find out if your partner is faithful or not. So that is what exists, the loyalty testers. But the loyalty game, which is our show,
Right.
anchors on that idea of the loyalty tester.
Have you met a real-life loyalty tester?
We have our writer, si A. She went into a chat group, talked. Si A is there. Hello, and our head writer, Maan. They contacted women who are part of this parang
Circle.
hustlers of this hustle. And then they try to parang, no, of course, part of this is all part of the creative development of the show. How they go about it, what are the stories that they encounter, what are the particular dangers that they face in
Okay.
this hustle.
In-interview lang niya or nag-immerse talaga siya?
Nag-immerse talaga.
So
And
naging tester siya?
hindi naman siya naging tester. What we try to talk to like certain people, parang bye-bye, baka may mag-text sa'yo or baka may mag-ano sa'yo, etc. But of course, we don't want to detail that, but we went in depth in the stories of these loyalty testers.
Hearing this sa cast, ngayong naririnig niyong may ganitong loyalty tester, anong reaction niyo? Wala na. Anong reaction niyo na may ganun pala? Loyalty testers. Janine.
Ako nagulat ako na meron talagang mga Facebook group, but at the same time, parang nakadagdag siya sa excitement kasi base siya sa truth, yung konsepto ng loyalty tester. So alam mo talaga na madaming makaka-relate at merong need for loyalty testers in some relationship. So mapapaisip ka, bakit kaya at anong klaseng tao ang magha-hire ng loyalty tester? At the same time, anong klaseng tao din naman ang raraket bilang loyalty tester? So napaka-interesting talaga nung premise nung kwento.
Mina, anong reaction mo noon? Nung narinig mo may ganitong klaseng trabaho?
Actually, kanina ko lang nalaman na meron.
Totoo ba?
Kanina ko lang nasabi ko, totoo bang merong loyalty test? Meron pala talaga, so I didn't know. So, for me, parang natakot ako, parang scary. Kasi nga parang katulad ng sinabi ni Janine, parang sino ba yung, anong klaseng tao ba yung magha-hire ng ganito? Kasi parang it only means for me, para sa akin na parang hindi na napagkakatiwalaan yung partner niya.
Something wrong.
Oo tsaka bakit?
Okay.
At katulad ng sinabi ni Janine, sino din yung mga testers? Diba? Parang ano ba to? Kasi parang you play with the emotions eh. So parang I find it scary at the same time curious and interesting. Kasi it's a different job.
It is.
Diba? Parang kang umaacting na totoo na...
Saka parang investigator? Parang gano'n.
right.
Okay, before we roll out the other questions, ano yung mga characters sa ito? Pakilala mo na tayo yung mga mga roles ninyo dito sa The Loyalty Game. Kira, what's your role here? What can you share?
Yes po, I play the role of Angel.
O, pangalan pala, ha?
Yeah, di ba ang bait ng pangalan? So, oh, thank you. Si Angel naman po, she is the youngest loyalty tester. So, she can be very naive, lover girl siya. Innocent, yes. So, with the help of her ates, na ibang loyalty tester, dun siya matututo. She's also a college girl, nag-aaral pa rin siya. Kaya niya napasukan tong loyalty game to have her own side hustle.
Okay.
Yun.
Charlie.
Ako po dito si Regina, isa po akong babae na hindi ako loyalty tester.
Okay.
Pero konektado ako sa buhay ni Ben. So matagal kami hindi nagkita at sa pagbabalik ko, may bitbit akong katotohanan na hindi alam ng lahat.
Wow. Pasabog. Maliit ba yan? Maliit ba yung alam mo? Pasabog daw eh. Marika, what's your role here, please?
Yes, I'm playing Carlota. And ano siya?
Pangalan pa lang, ha?
Yes, Carlota. So ano siya, babaeng pinalad ng ganda at katawan.
Ay.
Pero, hindi nabigyan ng budget. So, sumikap siya from the province para makakita ng konti, bags, shoes, pera. Kaya napasok niya to. Buti na lang meron siyang mga girlfriends. Ayan, sila ate yan. And yun. So,
Interesting. Thank you, Micah. Elise, what's your role here?
I am Bridget. I'm also a loyalty tester here.
Pangalan din kakaiba, Carlota, Bridget.
Yes, alam niyo mga kalaban.
Alam mo pangalan din eh. Joke lang. Diyan yung tawa mo. Go ahead, Elise.
Pero actually, magugulat kayo kasi hindi lang ng loyalty tester may taglay na yung parang landi lang.
Explain.
There's a reason behind why we do what we do. Hindi dahil gusto namin seduce. So, yun. Bridget is a loyalty tester. Lumaki siya na other family siya. So, sila lang ng mom niya. And to prove herself na okay ako, I'm worth it, dun sa father niya and sa family, yung original family, nagsumikap siya. Kailangan niyang more, kailangan niya maging successful, kailangan niyang makuha yung top. So, ginamit din niya naman ang ganda niya at utak. So, ano siya, mahilig siyang kumayo. Isa siyang live seller. So, yung hilig niya, ginamit niya for her own good. So, nagla-live selling siya, dun siya nakahanap ng pagkakakitaan. But at the same time, it's not enough. Kasi nga gusto niya more. So, kaya niya napasok, yes, we want more. So, kaya niya napasok ang loyalty test.
Actually, pagkakatingin mo doon sa We Want More, parang may intriga na ako bigla eh. Siguro something that we would find out sa series. Yan, ikaw, what's your role here?
So I play Diane. I'm one of the loyalty testers. Pero hindi lang yun yung buhay niya. She's also a VA.
Okay, virtual assistant.
Yes. And she has a son with mild autism.
Okay.
Very hardworking. Wala siyang hindi gagawin para makapag-provide para sa anak niya.
Okay. Carmina, ikaw naman, what's your role here?
Kung si Kira yung youngest, I'm the oldest loyalty tester. And then,
Ano ba? Loyalty tester ka rin?
no. Para lang maiba, kasi parang hindi ko left out ako, hindi ako loyalty
Papasa
tester.
ka pa rin loyalty tester, ha?
Hindi na lang okay na ako.
Okay ka
Okay
na.
na ako bilang nanay niya.
Okay.
I play the role of Imelda Madrigal. So I play the mom of Anna, which is si Janine.
Grabe yung pangalan. Imelda
Imelda.
Madrigal.
Diba? Nakakasosyal.
Diba?
Socialite siya, tapos galing sa isang prominenteng pamilya. She had a perfect life.
Okay.
So may pamilya, may dalawang anak, asawa. She had a perfect life.
Okay.
Until one day, iniwan siya ng asawa niya. So she was devastated, heartbroken, nagkaroon ng nervous breakdown. So parang hindi na kinaya yung mga nangyari. Tapos namatay pa yung youngest son niya na nangyayari lahat yun. So hindi na talaga kinaya ng powers niya. Naging loyalty tester na lang siya. joke lang. No, kidding aside. So hindi na kinaya. So nagkaroon siya ng nervous breakdown, ang very interesting sa character ko dito kasi hindi lang siya yung typical mommy ni Anna. Ano siya I love her character kasi she plays with her hair. So dahil meron siyang nervous breakdown, ang makikita niyo sa character ko, lagi siyang naka-wig. So iba-iba yung hair ko dito, may long, may short, may kulot, may blonde, ganyan. Kasi nga, pinag-iinitan ko yung buho ko. So every time nagkakaroon ako ng panic attack, na anxiety attack, laging hair ko. So it's something new for me. And natutuwa ako siya na paglalaroan ko siya.
Wow, interesting! Grabe. Sophia! Ayan, nervous ka na naman.
Okay, I'm Beth. I play the role of Beth. I'm a physical therapist and I'm one of the loyalty testers.
Oh, loyalty tester ka rin.
Yes. Beth. So my friends are Carlotta, Bridget, Diane,
Angel.
Angel, ayan. So I have two siblings, si Harry and Megan, and I live for them. Wala na kaming parents, so I really have to.
You're the breadwinner?
Yes, I really have to make kayo like my friends. Like
Make
papa.
kayon. Love
Yes.
it.
As a loyalty tester. So, ayun.
Nice. Janine and Jericho, ang role nyo naman dito. We saw Jericho as Ben.
Yes.
Ako po si Ana Madrigal Santos, asawa ni Ben. We've been married for 7 years and kung titignan mo sa labas, kami yung parang mukhang perfect couple sa town of Valiente. At ma-reveal sa kwento na everything is not as it seems. Kasi ako ang mag-hire ng loyalty tester para i-test ang loyalty ng asawa ko na si Ben.
Interesting. Ben, please explain your character.
Alam ko na kung ba't ka kinakabahan kasi yung music. I'm Ben. I'm Ben. Ben Santos is a lawyer and he is well loved by the town, Valiente. He is also running for CEO sa Azucarera in the provinces of Negros. We've created our own towns in this show, which is great. And of course, the very, very, very loving husband to Anna. So yeah, he's very hardworking. He's a perfectionist, charismatic, and charming sa lahat ng mga tao at tauhan, ganyan. But as you can see sa trailer, Ben, he is double life Ben.
Ooh, yung kasi ito parang almost perfect na si Ben eh. Paano pa ipapatest ng loyalty, di ba?
Papatest yung loyalty niya.
I know.
Sisimula kay
Huwag mo na yung may spoil. May spoil dyan.
hawak niya ang Beth.
Hawak niya ang Ben. Okay, the first question is from Nika Sabio of Push. Hi, Nika!